Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use or how you can run a benchmark on your PC. Use Basemark Web 3.0. So this is web browser performance testing tool. So you can go to gpuscore.com benchmark. This is a Basemark Web 3.0. So this is a cross-platform benchmarking tool. It's very easy, just click start. So this benchmark includes various system graphic tasks that use to the web recommendation and features. After running the benchmark, you will see how your system performs compared to other systems and browser in Basemark Powerboard. So there's a Basemark Powerboard here as a benchmark, of course. These are the features: low-level JavaScript calculations, graphical intense content, test built with popular JavaScript framework. Basemark Web 3.0 will also contain conformance suite, which doesn't contribute to overall score but tests the browser conformance. So let's start by click the start button, and to get the most reliable score from this benchmark, please close all the browser's tabs and make sure your screen stays awake. So I will close all the tab here. This is my Windows browser version, resolution, and start. So you have to wait. There is a 20 tasks here. The WebGL total test time about 20 minutes, so I will cut the video. So maybe before and in the end of this benchmark, I will go to play this video again. Let's pause the video first. So the test run was complete without issues. So my desktop got score about 1133.76. So this is the breakdown. CSS capabilities 59, about 60%. HTML5 93%. Payload and responsiveness capabilities 93%. Resize capabilities 75%. So you can compare with the others, see more results from Powerboard. So remember the score. So this is all mobile device that got a score here. So my score is about 1100, and my score is surpassed the iPad Pro. But on all devices, this is the more high-end PC than me, got about 43,000 score. So feel free to try to benchmark your PC on Basemark web browser base. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.